YouTube? You already know. Joey Max back with the banger. So here is my 240SX. It's fully caged.
Best kept secret.
Alright, YouTube. We just got the motor out. Rodney. Do it a couple more. Alright guys, car's off all fours. What's up YouTube? It's your boy Joey Max, and I'm back with another banger. In this video, we are going to be installing a new engine in my uncle's Supercharged 370Z. He picked this car up for a good price. And it has a blown motor, so today we are going to be prepping pulling the motor out of this car. We're going to be pulling it this weekend, but I have his motor that I have to do gallery gaskets on, water pump, all that good stuff while it's already out, so we can prevent another one from blowing up. I don't think gallery gaskets were done in this motor, and that's a common fail point in any VQs.
Yeah.
So it's definitely something we want to get taken care of. This car makes about 550 to 600 horsepower right now. He got long tube headers for it and a lot of other things that I will be showing you guys. But it's full fuel return system, everything like that. It's pretty clean. So a lot of things I'm going to go over and just make the car A1. So step one is going to be pulling the bumper off. We're going to be taking this bumper off, which we have a 10 on each side, headlights off, and I'm going to be taking the core support because I'm going to leave the transmission in the car and I'm going to be pulling the motor straight out. I want to leave the supercharger kit on here just so all the bolts stay where they go, and I'll put it on a separate engine stand and swap everything over one by one so everything goes back where it came off. And I could torque everything down easier because I need this thing to hold up. I don't want to put another motor in it. CJ's currently on his way here right now. So step one's going to be pulling the motor out. I'm going to get a little time lapse in here for you guys and me doing that. But yeah, so that's going to be what we're doing today. I could also give you guys steps. I guess I'll do that too, so you have an idea. If you're pulling a 370Z motor, here's kind of how to. So step one, you're going to have your fender liner, which is bolted down here. You gotta take that 10 off, get that fender liner loose, and you have a 10 bolt right here. Where is it? Yeah, you guys see it right there? It's right here. Take that 10 bolt out on each side. All these push tabs are gonna come up if you're pulling the motor out this way, and you have a 10 bolt on this side. I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Then we are going to have to take this, get this out of the way because you have your engine harness that's routed inside the car. We wanna leave that with the motor. Got to get the strut brace out the way, which this pops up. It's a little separate piece, just pops right up as you guys can see. And then you have your heater hose back here. You disconnect, heater hose on that side. I'm going to unbolt the transmission from the bottom. I already have the test pipes off and shit like that, but I'll get you guys a time lapse of me pulling it apart and we'll get going from there. I'll pick this back up once I have the bumper off and show you guys what to take off next from the core support.
Hey, want to listen to some tunes?
Alright, YouTube. You already know we're getting the motor out of CJZ. Look at him go.
Oh yeah.
He's so excited and shit. He can't stop clapping and jumping around. We got the motor prepped. Gallery gaskets are done on it. Valve covers are done. You already know. And supercharger's off.
He said the ground.
He's just getting the seat belt on there. Look at that angle. It's a thumbnail right there.
Nigga, fuck you.
So we're ready to go. About to yank it out. You got Josh, the spectator. Should be the cameraman.
My hands are dirty.
I finally got his hands dirty. You already know. So yeah, I'm gonna put a little time lapse of us getting this motor out because that's gonna be fun. Why you keep?
I'm not gonna judge your journey. It is your fantasy, just as long as. Wow. Okay.
What's the word? Excited.
I'm excited.
Dude, it looks like we are some. Let me not be racist, guys. I'll pick this back up in a little bit. All right, YouTube. We just got the motor out. Rodney visited right there. So now we gotta swap everything over to the other motor. CJ's over here all excited and shit. Look at him, he's camera shy. Here's what's so funny, he's camera shy. You gonna watch a YouTube video, he's just gonna be like, I watched your YouTube video. My dad is shy. But yeah, so now we gotta swap everything. Oh, yeah, let me record in case we drop it.
I don't care if we drop this one.
Drop it on the head. Just don't break the throttle body.
So yeah, so got the new long block here, prepped, ready to go. So we're gonna be swapping everything from that motor to this motor. I'll run a time lapse of us doing that. And yeah. All right, YouTube, 10 minutes later, motor's fully dressed. Nah, it's probably like an hour. Got everything swapped over to it. You got the clutch on there, everything like that. Now this thing, just a bare long block. Put a good old hole in it. So now we are gonna be putting the motor in. I've got to put you guys back on the time lapse of us getting this in the car. Then we'll go from there.
Back on the time lapse that we didn't even do the time lapse on pulling it.
I think we did.
No, I don't.
There's a red ant.
Yeah, I did. Oh, did you?
Yeah, bald motherfucker.
Damn, why is it always talk about being bald? Can we address the fact that you're fat?
Yeah, but I could change that.
Yeah, I could change that too. It's just money.
Yeah, but mine ain't money.
Yeah, it is.
It's time.
It's spending
time.
less money. You want to know why? Stop eating.
Hey guys, he's just a hater. He's bald. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter. Look at CJ's camera shy and shit. But we'll pick this back up in a little bit.
Hey, want to listen to some tunes?
Oh yeah, you tell him what we do. Come on, you got this shit.
All right.
All right, YouTube, you already know what it is. Motor's in the car, everything's on, we got the belt on. We went ahead, we got the headers in there. Those are all bolted up. Some nice new ISR headers, long tubes, and everything else is basically done. So now we're about to put the front clip on. And yeah, should be running here shortly. The first start of the Supercharged 370 should be here shortly. So I'll pick this camera up when we're done. And Josh is under there putting an exhaust on. He'll probably be done tomorrow, but I'll pick that up when he's done. All right, YouTube, we're back. And this is where we are with the car. We have, the sun glare's bad. Supercharger on, everything's on. Whole front end's on. Everything's back together. Bless you. We're about to get the first start up. Got the welds on the back. He has to order the Mickey Thompson tires. Those are way too small. Single exits on it. We got the TEs for the front he picked up that we got to put on it. But everything like that. Superchargers on. Oil coolers on. We're about to get, yeah. Oh yeah, we put the carbon hood on it. So this thing is about to be pretty sweet. We just got to put the strut brace shit like that. But if there's anything we need to look over before we start it, it's better to not have it in the way. So we're about to get a quick little startup video for you guys. And yeah. Do it a couple more times. Like 2 more times.
Let it start on this one. Just clutch pedal down.
All right, it's building fuel. Start it. It runs, buddy.
Let's go.
So yeah, right now we have oil in it. We don't have no coolant in it because we're gonna drain all this oil out. I just want deep galley gasket, shit like that, clean the motor. So anything, just get a nice little flush throughout the motor, oil lines, all that. So. You can't read it in this unless he has a gauge. It's not a 350 now. So yeah, Supercharged runs. Burn off from the headers, everything. Alright guys, car's off all 4s. On. Belt got a little wet. Cooling with 2 now. You put the power steering pump cover back on? Power steering pump cover? The lid? Yeah. Not too bad, right, Kay?
Yeah.
Come on, give your opinion on this hunker.
We'll see. We don't know how much power it's gonna make and then how long until it blows up. But you know, it's cool.
Yeah, it looks good.
Spend money.
Once we get the tire on the rear.
The front fitment's perfect.
On the bed on the spring.
We need to wash this thing.
I might need a roll defender.
I think he'll be fun.